What's up? This is Team 9421 with a recap from our awesome, crazy and also slightly chaotic visit to the Ventura Regionals hosted by FRC. If you're new to robotics, FRC or the FIRST Robotics Competition is one of the biggest competitions in robotics. We're not just talking some Lego set here, we're talking about big robots, like 50 kilograms big. And these robots, they can move fast, 40 kilometers per hour fast. So come with us and let's go.
Every year we get a new challenge, a new game. We have 6 weeks to design, build, and program a robot from scratch to crush the challenges. Then we remotely control them in competition rounds, working with other teams from around the world, aiming to earn as many points as possible. And get this, we're one of only 2 FRC teams in all of Hong Kong.
Of the thousands of teams globally, our team is a David amongst Goliaths. We were the underdogs, up against teams with serious backing, such as Disney, NASA, and even Google. But this year, things were different. This year, we finished ranked in the top 10 teams of the 50 at the Ventura Regionals.
The atmosphere at the regionals was invigorating. Everyone is doing something at every moment, adjusting bearings, tightening screws, reconnecting wires, rushing to the other team's pits to borrow tools. On your left and right, you have people shouting at you, "Go here, go there," and behind you, other teams are yelling, "Robot coming through." It's a competition on the same scale as a football game. There are thousands of people there.
Something which came as a shock to most of us was that all fellow competitors, our opponents, willingly helped us to the best of their capabilities. Not only did they spare a few extra parts we were missing, but they came to our station to work on the robot in our times of need. Placing 10th of the 52 teams at the Ventura Regional and being the Lions captain, that's a huge deal. Last year, we didn't even make the playoffs. This year, we jumped up a lot.
And please welcome our final Alliance captain to the field, 9421. Who would you like to invite to your Alliance?
Team 9421 would like to invite Team 2647 to our Alliance.
2647.
This year, we took on the immense challenge of upgrading our robot's drivetrain. Our students and mentors poured hours into coding and implementing a drivetrain where each wheel is steered and driven independently, transforming our robot into a swerve drive. It's like upgrading from a tank to a ballerina. A traditional tank drive is more like a lumbering tank, moving forward and backward in straight lines and turning in wide arcs, lacking the finesse and agility of its swerve counterpart. But building the swerve drive wasn't easy. In order to utilize such an advanced drivetrain, it required the coding team to understand new components such as encoders. A challenge we came across was when we found these code libraries only worked for teams using the Imperial system. Our coding team created our own custom swerve library to build the code for our swerve drive.
Okay, so picture this. Last match of the day, we're feeling good. Our alliance had the highest ranked team in the region. We knew we were going to win. Then the horn goes off and our robot starts driving backwards uncontrollably. We grabbed the controllers, but realized the robot was moving backwards even when the joystick wasn't being touched. This was it, we thought. We couldn't score any points because the second we stopped moving, the robot would start rolling backwards. We tried our best to stay out of our teammates' way, eventually pulling into a corner and hitting the emergency stop button. Our teammates tried their best, but it was a 2 versus 3. Even with the best team on our side, we had tough opponents. It was going to be a close game. After the anxious 2 minutes and 30 seconds ended, we all looked up the Jumbotron and watched as the screen lit up blue. The other team had won, just by a mere 10 points. Turns out, it wasn't even our fault. The competition field had issues, and other teams also experienced the same thing. We ended the day upset and annoyed, but we realized how much of a challenge we overcame. Our quick thinking skills allowed us to stay out of the way of our teammates and not risk damage to our robot. Our problem-solving skills helped us search for the reasons as to why our robot malfunctioned. This setback also taught us that sometimes we come across challenges like these for no apparent reason. But it is how we react to the problem that determines our success. With every mistake, we push ourselves to find solutions. With every achievement, we push ourselves to find ways to improve. That's what makes FIRST Robotics different. It's not students building robots, it's robots building students.
FRC is more than just robots. It's about teamwork, problem solving, and pushing ourselves to learn new things.
If you're interested in robotics, STEM, or just want to build some awesome stuff, check out FIRST Robotics and stay tuned for more robot action.